Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to use my Nordic Ware Stovetop smoker to make some hamburgers. Barbecued hamburgers. Okay, let's prepare it. Okay, I'll be using ground sirloin. It's 1.8 pounds, 1.08 pounds. It's 90% lean and 10% fat. So that's good. So I'm going to put it in this bowl here and season up the meat. Before I touch all this nasty meat, I'm going to prepare my smoker. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. This is the kettle. I'll leave the link for it. I got it from Amazon. This is where the bottom of it looks. I've used this many times. So this is where the wood chips go. This is the drip pan. So it came with apple smoking chips and also hickory smoking chips. I used up all the hickory, so I got this big old giant thing of hickory. Y'all see this? How much is this? 5 quarts. And it's real fine, like this. You see this? I'll put maybe 3. What is this? Teaspoon? This is a half a tablespoon. I'll put 3 of these. Maybe 4. Because I like a nice smoky flavor. The more you use, the smokier it'll get. They say you're supposed to put this in the center. I don't mind spreading it around some. Okay. I'm not going to use the apple at all. Sometimes I mix it. Let me get this out of my way. Okay. Now what I got to do. I always line this with foil. Because this is where the grease is going to drip. In here now. I don't like washing stuff unnecessarily. So if I ain't got to do it, I won't. And this here, it would turn to like an ash. So this is very easy to clean. I don't mind using up foil to keep from washing something. So I'm lining the bottom and the top. Like I said, I've used this many times. You see how the bottom still looks? But if it turns black, that's okay, because your food ain't going on that anyway. So it don't look too nice. Line the bottom and the inside. Okay, so all I have to do is lift out the foil where all the grease will be, and the pan is clean. Okay, I'm going to put this on top of the wood chips. See the wood chips in here? This goes on top. Okay? Okay. This here goes on top of here. This is where the food goes. And I always oil this. I'm going to go over the sink and spray it. I don't want my food sticking. Spray it with some olive oil. Okay. I'm just going to use my hand to finish spreading it. I've used this quite a few times. I love it. I used to have the Presto electric smoker. It was nice, and then they recalled it. So this is what I got to replace it. Okay, if you need bigger, if you cook more food than what I'm going to cook, I bought this here. I bought this extra, it's called extender rack, made for the Nordic, crumbs on here. It's made for this. It has an extra, comes with this. It fits on here, and it comes with an extra thing for your food. So I'm not going to make that much today. And I also bought this extra rack, just in case, you know, I just want a little extra food. I just put this on top of this with food on it. Put food on here, then I extend my cooking. I got this from Amazon. I'm thinking it's a canning rack, but you can use whatever fits. Okay. So you don't turn the stove on until you got food in here. And you open the vent to start with. Let me open it now. It's kind of hard. Okay, I got it completely open. When I begin to cook, don't want this to fall. Okay. I'll prepare the meat. I wanted hamburgers yesterday, but I'm lazy. I don't thaw out stuff. This was in the freezer. Okay. Oh, we smell it. It's fresh. Okay. I'm adding black pepper, red pepper, white pepper, and green pepper. Peppercorns. Granulated onion. Not onion salt. I don't measure nothing. I just pour it in here. Just bought me a new granulated garlic. No salt. This has salt in it. Smoked barbecue rub. And what else I need? Oh, what's this here sauce? Come on, squirt. Stop playing. Okay, what's going on with this? Alright, Evo. Evo is the best sprayer, in my opinion. Okay. Maybe I tilted it too much. Okay. This is an oil sprayer. I put Worcestershire in here. You can see it's spraying. And what else I need? Some more pepper. I love pepper. Walter does too. He be in here sneezing. Put this up. Make sure it's still on. Sometimes it'll cut off and I'm thinking it's filming. Okay. My hands are clean. I washed them 2 weeks ago. Okay. Mixing all this stuff up together. And I call hickory smoke, the smoke itself, that's another layer of flavor. So that's a seasoning too, y'all. Every time you smoke something, that's seasoning to me. Okay, I don't want to overwork the meat. I want to get good 4 good burgers out of here. And make sure that's 3. And make that a little smaller. It says this is a little over a pound, so I want to make okay. Put a hole in the middle. So I don't like my burgers to puff up. These equal. Yes, they equal. I want to put 4 burgers on this thing. I don't want to use another rack. I'm filming. You want the camera on you?
No.
Why not? You don't think you look cute enough today? Huh?
I look handsome every day.
Who told you that? Look, who you think you look like?
No, people look like me.
Who you think you look like?
Okay. Walter H. 4.
Oh, please.
21.
He think he look like Billy D. Williams and Muhammad Ali.
All they look like me.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Just stuff that. That's what I do.
Let me wash my hands.
Watch it. Like everything.
Okay. All right. I'm going to put some more pepper on top. It's going to be the best burgers ever. I want a little more rub. Okay. I have to cook on the front of the stove. I usually like cooking on the back. It's from my days when I was cooking and had little kids running around. Okay. Like I said, I opened up the vent and it has this meat thermometer in the lid. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. I want y'all to see the flame. Okay. I'm going to turn it on like a medium. Like a medium-high flame. And when I see the first whiffs of smoke come out this vent, that's when I'm going to close this vent on the top. And the temp is supposed to go up to stay between 190 and 210. So it has to go all the way up to that. Right now it's on 0. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here's the thermometer. Right now it's on basically 0. It's on nothing. has to go all, the red thing has to go all the way to the 190 mark. And that's when I'm going to cut the fire off and let the residual heat finish smoking my burgers. And as you can see, that's open right now and ain't no whiffs of smoke coming out. I'll show y'all when the whiffs of smoke come out, then I'll close it. Okay. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the whiffs of smoke coming out. Can y'all see that? And I'm going to turn on my hood fan, but I'm going to close this. And I'm getting a late start cooking. Okay, because we still got white bean soup up in there and rice. But I want some burgers. Okay, let me close this. You'll see that's completely closed now. And you have to use pot holders when you touch any part of this. You touch the handles, they hot. The vent is hot, everything's hot. I use these pot holders, the little finger tip holders. And you can see that needle has moved. Trying to get out my shadow. Okay. So I'm about to cut this off and turn on my hood fan. And no smoke comes from around the edges, so your house does not fill up with smoke. Okay, y'all, I'm over here at my Crux, what you call this thing? CruxGG 9-quart air fryer. And got foil in here. I took out the little breaks. Got foil in here. I got the divider in here. And I'm going to put some fries. Got the Ore extra crispy crinkles. And I could take the divider out and just cook in one side. And then I got what is it? Ore, those are crinkles. These are not the extra crispy. Just trying to use up some of this stuff in my freezer. I don't know why somebody opened up another bag of fries when we already had some open. I ain't calling no names. Okay. We'll sprinkle some oil. We'll spray some oil. This is olive oil. No seasoning. Of course, my pepper, y'all. You don't see it coming out, but it does come out. And I find that the right side cooks hotter than the left side. Okay, I'm going to use some sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub on my fries. Use whatever you got. Okay. I got it sitting on something called a glide mat, so I can move it easily away from the wall. Okay. We put it on dual mode. We do the left side first. Air fry. It'll take about maybe 15 minutes. Just the time on this side. 15 minutes. And now the right side. Air fry. 15 minutes. And it set itself for 400. I could change that if I wanted to, but I don't want to. So now I'm going to start. Okay. Let's get back over to the stove, see what's happening. Okay, it's in that range, so I can cut my fire down. You wanna look at me. Is this on? Yeah. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna check it because the temperature is almost at 210. Okay, the smoke is gonna escape once I take this lid off. As you can see, no smoke is escaping from around the lid, so your house does not fill up with smoke. Oh yeah, it's cooking nicely. It take no time. Ooh, oh my gosh, this smells so good. It didn't puff up in the center. Can y'all see this? I'm flipping. I declare these done. It didn't take no time. I didn't have to flip it. Y'all know me. You'll see. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on and turn the fire off and let the smoke continue to do what smoke's supposed to do. I'm going to turn it completely off. Okay. So when my fries get done, these burgers are basically already done. I'm sorry. I had this noisy thing on. Okay, so I can see the temperature dial going back down. Since I opened it, plus I turned the fire off. I didn't pay no attention to what time it was. I think it took about, 10 or 15 minutes? Okay. I'm going to prepare my bread. I like bread instead of buns. Okay, y'all, I'm about to put some cheese on these burgers. Ooh. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Let's walk what kind of cheese he wants. He wants a white cheese and a regular American cheese. I do too. I think I had some cheddar in there. That's okay. Cheddar is stronger than American. I ain't cutting up no onion or nothing. I'm just gonna have cheese and barbecue sauce on these barbecue burgers. Okay, lid back on. And like I say, you must use pot holders. Everything about this is hot. This is what I'm using today. The Stub Sweet Heat barbecue sauce. It's good. And I'm using some brioche bread. It's thick. I really don't like bread this thick. I didn't pay attention when I was buying it. This is like 2 slices in one. So I'm going to start with 1 burger. Y'all know I can easily eat 2 burgers and fries. Shake this up. Put the sauce on the bread. Woo! I know I'm country. That should be good enough. Let me check on these fries. Okay, my food is done. It's 6:15 p.m. on Monday. Here's my plate. I decided to go and put my other burger on here, because sometimes I want to play crazy. Oh, I thought you left all that for me. Don't play with me, man. Okay, I'm going to take a thumbnail before I start eating, because I know what I did one time. Okay, here's my 2 hickory smoked burgers with some fries with ketchup, and I got yellow American cheese and white American cheese on my burgers. And I cut them in half. And I use brioche bread. Okay. Let me get a good thumbnail. That should be good enough. So I'm about to let y'all see me taste this nice, juicy, cheesy sirloin burger. And you taste the smoke. It's like tastes like it came off the charcoal grill. For real, for real. Oh Lord. Too good. Whew, hot. Being messy. Just another fry. Crispy. And soft on the inside. Might be wrapping up one of these burgers for later. Okay. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'm trying to be better about replying to comments in a timely manner. And visiting my other people that I used to be faithful at watching. I'm getting better, y'all. Okay. Bon appetit. Okay. Bye. I just want to show y'all. I had to put the this little pot holder thing on top of here, because somebody who live in this house, he'll go grab the hot handle, then he'll be fussing. Why didn't you tell me it was hot? Man, you know I just got through cooking. Okay, bye for real.